Introduction to Bodyweight Lunges.
Lunges are one of the best lower body exercises that you can do without equipment. They help build strength, improve balance, and boost mobility. Whether you're new to fitness or just looking to perfect your form, mastering lunges is key for strong legs and healthy joints. Let's learn how to perform a safe, effective lunge using just your body weight.
Setting up for success.
Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart, shoulders relaxed, and arms at your sides. Engage your core muscles for stability and keep your chin parallel to the floor. Maintain a neutral spine and look straight ahead. This ready position sets the foundation for a balanced, controlled lunge and helps protect your joints throughout the movement.
Performing the lunge step.
Take a big step forward with one leg, keeping your hips and shoulders square. Slowly bend both knees, lowering your back knee toward the floor while your front knee tracks above your ankle. Avoid letting your front knee go past your toes. Drop down until your front thigh is parallel to the ground, keeping your upper body straight and upright.
Balance and posture tips.
Keep your weight evenly distributed between both legs and focus on a spot ahead to help maintain balance. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Avoid leaning forward or twisting your torso. For better stability, you can place your hands on your hips or stretch them out in front of you.
Joint safety and breathing.
Protect your knees by keeping your movements slow and controlled. Always align your knees with your toes and never lock your joints at the top. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you return to standing. Listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort in your knees or hips, stop and check your form before continuing.
Making progress with lunges.
Start with 8 to 12 repetitions per leg and gradually increase as your strength improves. Try stationary lunges at first, then progress to alternating lunges or add variations like reverse or side lunges. With consistent practice, you'll build stronger legs, enhance balance, and move with more confidence in everyday activities.